Let's tour the Dolphins Cove Resort in Anaheim, California, which has had some great updates since the last time we reviewed it in late 2017. Dolphins Cove is a Club Wyndham Worldmark resort, meaning it is a timeshare resort. So in addition to booking rooms on vacation sites such as Expedia, you can purchase an annual use timeshare at the resort to book every year. The resort is located on Orangewood Avenue around the corner from the convention center and just 1.2 miles south of the entrance to the Disneyland Resort, or just half a mile from the Toy Story parking lot, which is a brief walk where you can use the Toy Story parking lot shuttles to get to Disneyland. There are 143 1-, 2-, and 3-bedroom units that sleep 4 to 8, ranging from 555 to 1,100 square feet. There's a large heated pool complex with 2 large hot tubs, an arcade with a pool table, and a fitness room. There are 3 community gas barbecues, vending and ice machines, and a 9-hole miniature golf course, which is totally free. Also totally free is the gated self-parking, high-speed Wi-Fi and internet space, and guest laundry facilities with 6 washers and 6 dryers. The resort's 5 acres of grounds are beautifully landscaped and maintained, and have several public gathering areas to relax with friends and family. But every room has their own private patio or balcony, most of which view the grounds, although some 1-bedroom units look over the parking lot. The patios and balconies have furnishings to seat 4 people relatively comfortably, and are a great place to have a glass of wine and a charcuterie when you're not out seeing the sights or after a day at Disneyland. And if you call it an early day and come back to the resort at night, some of the units have a slightly obstructed view of the fireworks from Disneyland. The resort is priced very competitively with hotels in the same area, and is actually a great deal considering the accommodations you get compared to any of the nearby hotel rooms. The rooms at Dolphins Cove are the real highlight of the resort, so let's tour one of them. Room number 811 is an 825 square foot 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2nd floor suite. Like all the rooms at Dolphins Cove, it has a full kitchen with a coffee maker, a full-size fridge, microwave, electric range and oven, and a dishwasher. The kitchen is fully stocked with cookingware and dishware, and there is a dining table that seats up to 6 people. The living room has a large flat-screen TV with a DVD player, a large sofa bed with a double mattress, and end tables with PowerPoint lamps that have power and USB plugs built in. The master bedroom has a king-size bed, a ceiling fan, its own TV, and a full-length mirror. There are nightstands on either side of the bed with the same lamps as the living room. And there's a large walk-in closet. Both of the bedrooms and the living room have their own thermostat to control the very quiet mini-split AC units in each room. The master bathroom is small and has a shower tub with included soap, shampoo, and conditioner, a large mirror over the sink, and a makeup mirror as well. The second bedroom has 2 twin beds, a ceiling fan, its own TV, 1 nightstand with the same PowerPoint lamp, and a small closet. It also has its own thermostat to control the AC unit in that room. The second bathroom has a vanity with a large mirror over it, as well as the sink with the mirror, and a shower with glass doors and included soap, shampoo, and conditioner. As you can see, the resort amenities in the rooms make Dolphins Cove our favorite place to stay when we visit the Anaheim area for a few days. Leave a comment to let us know what you think, especially if you've stayed at Dolphins Cove before. Be sure to check out some of our other videos, subscribe if you already haven't, and thanks as always for watching.